Well, we just finished going through the museum that honors the events of September 11th, 2001 and the Twin Towers. Very moving. For Deana and I, it brought back a lot of memories because we lived through that. As I watched the crowds go through, they were a mass of people of all different ages and cultures, and I couldn't help but capture the eyes of some of the children that were too young to know that experience. And I looked into the faces of older people like ourselves who remembered being a part of that day and the heaviness of it. Let's say it was very overwhelming, but the memorial is done in such a way that it truly honors those who lost their lives and how truly our world changed on September 11th because of those events. The memorial is behind me where the towers once stood, but what a way to honor lives, that life goes on and that we continue to live with hope, and we're given today, not guaranteed tomorrow. So if you get a chance, you want to come here and check this out. It's well worth your time.